welcome back. This is Scott with Spring Hill Fox, and today we're diving into the fascinating topic of how to leverage ClickBank for affiliate marketing, create stunning landing pages with Aweber, Canva, and understanding the optimal position frequency on Pinterest. So let's get started. First of all, let's finding links in ClickBank. First of all, I like to use ClickBank, but you use what you want. I like ClickBank. This platform is great for affiliate marketers, and here's how you can find the perfect product to promote. Start logging into your ClickBank, head on over to the marketplace. This is where the magic happens. Choose a niche you're passionate about. All right, it could be anything from health, wellness, to technology, to whatever it is you like. And once you've selected a niche, browse through the products, look for ones with high gravity scores and good commission rates. All right, found something? I'll wait. Great, you found it? Okay, just click the promote button and generate your unique affiliate link. This link is your gold mine to earning commission, so keep it safe. All right, now let's talk about Aweber to create an email caption using landing pages in Aweber. Now, I don't think I've talked about this too much, but this product, but let's talk about Aweber and landing pages. A landing page is where you promote customers landing after clicking on your affiliate link. To create one, log into your Aweber and choose a template that fits your campaign theme. Customize it with engaging content, images, and most importantly, your ClickBank affiliate link. Well, once you're happy with the design, we can publish it. Now remember, your landing page is your customer's first impression of your offer, so make it count. Now let's get for creating pins for Pinterest and Canva. Moving on to Canva is a fantastic tool for designing Pinterest pins. Log into your Canva and select a Pinterest template. These are tailor-made to stand out on Pinterest. Feeds, you customize your template with attractive images, compelling text, and elements that tie into your ClickBank product. Once your pin design is ready to download, you can go right into your left-hand corner, and actually Canva will actually you can tie it up with your Pinterest account, and it'll go right into your account, and then there it'll be, and then you can just tweak it from there. All right, now lastly, let's talk strategy for Pinterest. Consistency is your best friend here. Start with 3 to 5 pins per day and observe how your audience reacts. Remember, it's not just about quantity, your pins should be high quality and relevant. Use Pinterest analytics to see what works and tweak your strategy accordingly. And there you have it, folks, a complete guide to making the most of your ClickBank, Aweber, Canva, and Pinterest. So if you have found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share, and remember to subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.